27वें शंघाई इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल में भारत से कई डायरेक्टर अपनी फिल्मों के साथ पहुंचे हैं, लेकिन इनमें एक डायरेक्टर ऐसी हैं जिनकी पहली ही फिल्म ने इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर दर्शकों का ध्यान अपनी ओर आकर्षित किया है, क्योंकि उन्होंने अपनी फिल्म में किशोरावस्था के जटिलताओं के साथ स्त्री मन को बेहद संवेदनशीलता के साथ पर्दे पर उतारा है। वी आर इन कॉन्वर्सेशन विद द डायरेक्टर ऑफ फिल्म बैड गर्ल, वर्षा भरत। मैम, बहुत स्वागत है आपका।
थैंक यू।
मैम, दिस इज़ योर फर्स्ट फिल्म।
यस।
तो फर्स्ट फिल्म बनाने से लेके दर्शकों को उसका पसंद करना एंड सिर्फ तक की जर्नी के बारे में कुछ बताइए।
I'm going to speak in English here and there. I can speak in Hindi. It was a very magical experience. I wrote the script 3 years ago during lockdown, and from there till here, I don't even recognize the person I was when I first wrote the script. It's been a very, very crazy journey actually. बहुत खुश लग रहा है इधर. Yeah, because I did not think all of these things would happen. I wanted to make a very mainstream film for theatrical audience, but the fact that festival audience are liking it so much, it's magical.
So आपने देखा होगा, लोगों का रिएक्शन देखा होगा, चाइना के लोगों का रिस्पांस कैसा है आपकी फिल्म के लिए?
I didn't think it would be like this. I was just telling you before we started rolling, right? It really felt like, you know, what is this, you know? It was so magical. There were people flocking around me, asking for my autograph and asking to take pictures with me, and I felt like I was already some kind of celebrity. It was really magical. It's beautiful. And so many of the Chinese audience said that they could really connect with the emotions of the film, that their families have similar structures, and like the society is very different. The younger generation is trying to break free from conventions, and it's we're all so similar and yet so different, and I think that's beautiful.
Yes. We also watched your film. ये फिल्म जो है आपकी एक लड़की के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से एक वुमेन सेंट्रिक है, कहानी है, तो ये सब्जेक्ट को चूज करने की इंस्पिरेशन आपको कहाँ से मिली?
Those are the only stories I know how to tell, because we write from our lived experiences, right? Like I have always complained to male filmmakers that they don't write enough women subjects, but now I understand it's a really stupid thing to say. It's just that we can only tell our stories, and if you don't have any I don't know if I'll be able to tell a man's story with so much authenticity. So the inspiration was just our lived experiences and what I went through, what all of my friends went through. It's all of the crying, it's all of the laughter, it's all of the joy and laughter we shared.
हम जब भी कोई आर्ट मूवी बनाते हैं, इमोशन पे बेस्ड मूवी बनाते हैं, तो उसको बनाने में कुछ चैलेंजेस भी आते हैं। इस मूवी से जुड़ा हुआ कुछ ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस आपको हुआ हो, कुछ चैलेंज आपने फेस किया हो?
I don't know if I would call this an art movie, and I think all of those labels are also becoming redundant these days, because what is an art movie, what is a mainstream movie? Movies are just movies, stories are just stories, right? We're all just trying to tell our stories. So I don't know about that, but I don't think I faced any challenges. Like my biggest challenge was, am I doing the right thing? And I always the film, everybody keeps telling me, you're so bold, you have so much clarity, but the truth is a lot of thought went into each and everything before making any statement, especially something that I have learnt all my life. I've been told this is how you should live, and when I'm challenging that and I'm saying the exact opposite is what works for me, it's one thing for you to lead a life like that. It's okay to make mistakes in your life. It's another thing to put that on screen. So a lot of thought went into it. Nothing was done carelessly. Nothing was done without a lot of depth and understanding, and a lot of reading a lot of feminist texts, reading a lot of because the story was actually very different when I first wrote it, because I was in a different headspace, and now I'm in a very different headspace, and as I started working on it, I kept changing. When I shot it chronologically, I did school, college, 30s. So by the time I shot school, my idea of how I wanted to shoot college had already changed. It's like living that whole life all over again. And by the time I was done with college, when I was shooting the 30s, the 30s was originally supposed to be something that really romanticized the idea of the free sex movement and like women just dating casually and that sort of a thing. But by the time I came to the 30s, I think my life had also changed a little bit. My point of view had changed a little bit. At that point, I didn't think it was very romantic, the idea of women, you know, at the end of the day, anything that benefits men is disadvantageous to women. So yeah, it's an evolution of one's feminist politics. That's what happened to me during the course of this film. And I keep telling people there is a good chance 5 years down the line I might turn around and say, oh really, I said that, okay, maybe that's not, but that's okay. I don't think art should be seen as something that is unchanging, or it shouldn't be carved in stone, and you know, artists are human beings,
Yes,
and ideas
yes.
change and politics change. So I think we should have, and also each person has a very different lived experience. All I'm saying is let people make their mistakes,
yes,
especially
yes.
women. We should all just be allowed to make our mistakes and figure out our own way, because what worked for our mothers will not work for us.
Yes.
What worked for our grandmothers
Yes.
did not work for our
Yes,
mothers.
yes.
What worked for our great grandmothers did not work for our grandmothers. So we should all just figure out our own way.
तो आपको क्या लगता है, क्योंकि ये जो कहानी है कहीं ना कहीं महिलाओं की आवाज़ को आगे रखती है कि उनको जो भी वो सोचती हैं उसको आगे लेके आना है, लेकिन समाज में बहुत सारे परसेप्शन है, पुरानी धारणाएं चली आ रही हैं, तो क्या आपको लगता है कि ये फिल्म थोड़ा सा भी उन परसेप्शन को चेंज करने की, कुछ बदलाव की उम्मीद करती हैं आप?
That's not my intention at all, because I think people have their own ideas based on their experiences. I have these ideas because of my experiences. So my intention is not really to change people's mind, but growing up I didn't watch anything where I felt like, oh my god, yes, that happened to me, or I felt very lost, and a sort of alienation happens growing up for women, because you don't see our stories being told. And if I ever wanted to have a teenage girl story, I would have to see American content, which was not made for me. It was not made with my lifestyle.
yes.
That girl didn't look like me. She looked white, right? So for me, I think the only thing we need to do is tell our stories, so that when there are girls watching this, they'll feel like, okay, I'm not weird. You know, I'm not the only one who has these thoughts and feelings, and there are other women who have these thoughts and feelings. I think all we can do is have our voices heard, so that it's not just male voices out
Yes,
there.
yes, yes.
Just have our voices
Well,
heard.
yeah.
So when young people are hearing our voices, they'll feel like it's okay for them to have a voice, because all our lives we've been told, don't have a voice,
Yes,
don't
yes,
be too
yes,
loud,
yes.
be a good girl,
Yeah.
be quiet, be
Yes.
conventional, right? So I think if all of us just feel like it's okay to have a voice, sure, lots of people are going to hate you for it, but you will also find your tribe. You will also find like 4 people who are going to be like, hey, you're awesome.
Yes,
So
yes.
that's what we're trying to do with our movies.
सिनेमा लोग सिनेमा देखते हैं तो इन्फ्लुएंस भी करते हैं, स्पेशली यूथ। तो बैड गर्ल जो सिनेमा है, क्योंकि हमारी जो सोसाइटी है वो लड़कियों को लेके बहुत ज़्यादा थोड़ा सा कंजर्वेटिव, तो इसको क्रिटिसाइज़ भी लोग कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि लड़कियों को बहुत ज़्यादा बंदिशों में रखा गया। और हमारे हर साउथ या आप नॉर्थ लें, कहीं कहीं पे ऐसा है कि अभी भी बहुत ज़्यादा ऑर्थोडॉक्स फैमिलीज़ हैं, तो उनकी महिलाओं को कोई इस तरह का मैसेज पहुंचाने की कोशिश कर रहा है, उनकी तरफ से कुछ इस तरह का प्रतिक्रिया आई जो अच्छी नहीं होगी, तो उसके लिए आप क्या सोचती हैं?
So I agree that cinema influences people, which is why I had to think twice before doing anything,
Yes.
before putting pen to paper, before putting a shot. You know, my heroine and I would sit and talk.
Yeah.
Okay, we are showing the sexuality of a minor. You
Yeah.
know, the intention is to make girls feel like, okay, you're not a weirdo for
Yes,
having these
yes.
feelings in your
Normal.
body. It's biological.
Yes.
But at the same time, you don't want men to look at her you don't want to sexualize a teenage
yes,
girl.
yes.
So there was a middle ground there that we had to, we would be like, okay, is that shot looking a little? So a lot of, before putting pen to paper, before keeping a shot, and while editing, a lot of care was given to do these things. But cinema is only 50% what a filmmaker says. The
Yes.
other 50% is what a person watches based on their lived experiences. So that people will see what they want to see, and
Yes.
you can't help it.
Yes.
And there are people who watch sequences with sexual assault as if it's pornography. There are filmmakers who shot scenes with sexual assault as though it was for pornography. We live in a world like that.
Yeah.
Am I doing the most damage to this narrative? I don't think
Yeah.
so. There are people
Yes.
who've done far worse,
Yeah.
and they've gotten away with U certificates in censor. They've gotten away with absolutely no,
Yes.
no ramifications. So I feel like, yeah, you just have to do whatever you have to do.
आपकी जो मेन लीड है रम्या, रम्या जो करती है वो बहुत बोल्ड है, उसको जैसा लगता है वो करती है। और हमने मूवी देखी, कहीं ना कहीं आप कई चीज़ों से आप रिलेट करते हैं, लेकिन सिखाया जाता है कि आपको ऐसा बोलना नहीं, आपको ऐसा करना नहीं है। लड़कियों को क्या इस बात का डर है जो लाइसेंस पकड़ाया जाता है सोसाइटी के थ्रू, यू आर नॉट अ गुड गर्ल, यू आर अ बैड गर्ल, सो वर्षा को वो पावर कहाँ से आती है? रम्या का पावर हमने देखा, रम्या को पावर देने का और वर्षा की वॉइस जो इतनी स्ट्रांग है, वो वर्षा को वो पावर कहाँ से आती है? लोगों के सामने अपना जो इट इज़ नॉर्मल, और ये अपनी सेक्सुअलिटी को आप जो फील कर रहे हैं वो सोचना बहुत नॉर्मल है, वर्षा को ये पावर कहाँ से आती है?
People keep saying that this character is very bold, but the truth is I don't look at her as a bold person. Like I would use a lot of adjectives to describe Ramya, like confused, complicated, and traumatized, someone who carries a lot of scars, and she's trying to live her life anyway. A word that I would not associate with her is bold, because she's not a bold person. She's just trying to survive. She's a survivor. She's not at all bold, and I don't think I'm bold either. I just really have stories to tell, and I want to make a film, and I've just made a film. Even I don't think I'm bold, so it's not how people perceive themselves, right? So yeah.
आपको इस फिल्म के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला है, यहाँ पे भी हमने देखा आपका जो लोगों का रिस्पांस था। सो ये रिस्पांस आपके करियर को किस तरीके से इम्पैक्ट करेगा एज अ फिल्म मेकर, क्या आप सोचती हैं?
I don't know. I have to wait and see. But I'm very happy. I already feel like I have everything that's happened to me after this movie started has been beyond my wildest dreams. I'm already such a happy girl. So anything that happens to me beyond this point, I'll be very grateful. And I have never described myself as a very fortunate or lucky person. I have always felt like I have had to work 10 times harder than the next guy to have even a minuscule amount of success. But ever since this movie started, it's just been like a steady upward curve for me, and it feels magical. So let's just wait and see.
आपकी मूवी ये भी कहीं ना कहीं वुमेन सेंट्रिक मूवी है। शिवरंजनी जी की जो फिल्म है, जो वो न्यू टैलेंट के लिए वो हुई है, सेलेक्ट हुई है, वुमेन सेंट्रिक फिल्मों को लोग पसंद कर रहे हैं, क्या ये अभी समय की डिमांड है, या क्यों इसी तरह की फिल्में चुनी जा रही हैं फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स के लिए? क्या इस समय की डिमांड है, या इसी तरह की फिल्में बन रही हैं, या
it was always there. It was always there. We've all grown up watching films by masters who are also women. So I don't think it's a new trend. It has always existed, and it will always exist. But having said that, this generation there are more female filmmakers. Like when I started working as an AD, there weren't that many women in the industry. Now there are more women in the industry. Behind the camera, in front of the camera, there were always women. So it's just time is going forward, right? We are progressing as a society. It's just that.
सो यू वॉच अदर मूवीज़ ऑल्सो, यहाँ पे बहुत सारी फिल्मों की स्क्रीनिंग हो रही है, कई सारी कंट्रीज़ के डायरेक्टर्स अपनी फिल्मों को लेके आए हुए हैं, आपने कोई और स्क्रीनिंग भी देखी है, कोई और फिल्में भी देखी हैं?
I was only here for 3 days and 4 nights, so I hardly had time to watch any movies, but I got glimpses of other people's films, and I haven't really had time to watch others' films, but and I also am not in the headspace to watch movies right now, because I'm still editing my theatrical version. I just want to go back home, finish my film, and any festival that comes after my release, I will really enjoy it. Right now I'm not, you've seen me in the past few days, I've just been like anxiously running. So it's just that.
सो टोटल आपके ये शंघाई इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल को अगर आप समराइज़ करना चाहेंगी, तो आप कैसे बताएंगे कि आप अपनी फिल्म को लेके आई, आपको जिस तरीके का भी रिस्पांस मिला, और सिर्फ का एक्सपीरियंस, आपका शंघाई का आपका ये पहला एक्सपीरियंस है, क्या यादें लेके जा रही हैं आप?
I'm just very grateful to the Chinese audience, because I have gone to Rotterdam before this and LA, and like my film was also awarded the Audience Choice Award in Toulouse. So my film has done the rounds in across the globe, but the kind of love that I'm getting from the Chinese audience is just very special, and I feel very close to them. And I really felt so good when, especially after the audience Q&A, so many girls came, and they were actually like very appreciative, and they were the exact they were behaving the same way that I have behaved with other female filmmakers, because when you finally have your stories told, when you finally feel like you're looking in a mirror when you're looking at the screen, which is something men have always had, we've not often had. So I'm just very grateful for all of this experience.
So we wish all the luck to you, और आप ऐसे ही बहुत अच्छी फिल्में बनाएं, और जो भी आपका ड्रीम है कि आप और भी इस तरह के सोसाइटी के और भी अगर इश्यूज़ को आप एड्रेस करना चाहती हैं, आपकी जो आवाज़ है वो दर्शकों तक पहुंचे, और आपकी जो फिल्में हैं वो इसी तरीके से अलग अलग फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स में जाएं, और हम चाहेंगे कि आप आगे भी इस तरह की फिल्म लेके अपनी शंघाई इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल में आएं, और हम आपसे बात करना चाहेंगे।
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू सो मच वर्षा।
थैंक यू दिव्या।